252 meeting in rooms. Given an array of meeting time intervals, where interval I there is a start point and end point. Determine if a person could attend all the meetings. So for example, if these are the different meetings, one start from 0 to 30, 5 to 10, and 15 to 20, we are going to return false. Why? Because if the user attends this meeting, which is from 0 to 30, it cannot attend these two meetings because they are inside this. So 0 to 30 is going to be, if we want to show it to you here, so it's going to be start from 0 to 30, and the 5 to 10 is going to be inside this, and then 15 to 20 is going to be inside the 0 to 30. So that's why the user cannot attend all the meetings. How about the second one? As you see, the user can go to 2 to 4 first, and after it's done, it can go to 7 to 10. As you see, like my instinct was, I should go check the smaller number first and the bigger number. So we are going to use the same thing to solve this problem. What we are going to do, we are going to sort the intervals from the smaller to the biggest. And you might say, oh, we have a list of two numbers, start point and end point. We are going to sort it based on the start point. So I'm going to say intervals dot sort, and sort has a function key that the sort function has a key that we can say lambda x is going to be x0. So we are going to sort it based on the index 0, and then I'm going to say for I in range length of intervals, but we are going to compare this one with the one beside it, right? So after sorting it, so it's going to be 2, 4, and 7, 10, right? So I'm going to check the end time of this with the start time of the other one, right? So for that reason, I need to make sure that I'm not going to be out of range. So I'm going to say -1, and then I say if the intervals at index I and what the end time, right? If and the end time is bigger than the intervals at index I plus 1, so the next meeting, at index 0, which is going to be the start time, right? If this is bigger than that, we are going to return false, because we know the user cannot attend all the meetings. If we are done with this for loop and we didn't get false, so we know the user can attend all the meetings, and we are going to return true. So the time complexity for this is going to be n log n. The reason is this is going to be n, like linear time complexity, but because we have the sort function here, so the time complexity for this is going to be O n log n for the sort function, right? So we are going to say the time complexity of this is going to be asymptotic. It's going to be n log n, and the space complexity is linear, like constant, because we are not using any extra space. Thank you.